If you've found that your water meter isn't working or it needs to be upgraded, we'll exchange it for a new one. It's easy to report a problem with a meter on our website, stwater.co.uk. On the homepage, just choose Report a Problem to get started. The quickest way is with your postcode. Click or tap Search for Location and enter your postcode. Then select Find Address. Choose Please Select to get a list of addresses and pick the right one. Next, click or tap Report a New Problem. When these boxes appear, choose Problem with my meter and then select the problem that you're having. This will report the problem and will tell you what happens next. If your meter is outside, you don't need to be home. We can come and fix it within 3 weeks. If your meter is inside, we will need to book an appointment with you for a date when you will be home.